Hi everyone, it's Caritha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video is a black and blue butterfly design using some butterfly nail stickers. The black that I'm using is O.P.I Black Onyx, and the Cosmetic Arts doesn't have a color name or a color number, but it says the style number is 5454. And of course, these are the stickers I'm going to use. So I already have on 2 coats of black, and now I'm just going over each nail with 1 coat of the Cosmetic Arts brand. This polish has some like medium-sized pieces of glitter, so sometimes you'll have glitter like hanging off your free edge. So if that happens, you can just use an orange stick to push them back up on top of your nail. If you're enjoying the video so far, then please do subscribe for more designs. So next up, I'm going to be applying the nail stickers. There's a plastic protective film over the whole sheet of stickers. So after you cut out the sticker that you want to use, you have to take off the piece of plastic, because for the next step we're going to be soaking the sticker in some water. So if you don't take the plastic off, the sticker is going to stick to the plastic when you soak it in the water. And by the way, we're only soaking for like 1 or 2 minutes. It's really not long at all. In fact, if you soak it for too long, the sticker is going to be like floating around in the water. It's going to release from the paper, and so if it's floating in the water, you can't pick it up. So next I use Sally Hansen Hard as Nails clear polish just to help stick the sticker down a little better. But I only used a little bit. You don't want to use too much. And by the way, you can use any clear polish. But yeah, you don't want to use too much because it's going to make wrinkles in the sticker. And lastly, I used my clear nail stamper to help apply the sticker to my nail. I forgot to show what top coat I used, but my favorite top coat is Seche Vite. It's a fast drying top coat and I literally can do my nails and go straight to bed. I always do. This design was really simple but really cute. Like they say, sometimes less is more. Comment below any questions or anything you want to say if you like the design, and I hope you enjoyed the video.